So we're gonna make some slime. This is blue, fun slime, easy to make. Stretchy, teeth long. Easy to play with, easy to make. It is not sticky. See, like, I'm spatting that out. Okay, the things you will need. Wait, sorry. Let's get on with the things we will need to make the slime. We will need a container to mix in, something to mix with, Armor's glue, and Tide detergent. I think Tide detergent works the best. Like, yeah. So let's get on to make the slime. We already put the glue in, not as much, but we're only showing you. So, okay, when we got the glue in, we'll get some water. So we're gonna get a bag of water, put it in the glue. So squeeze it. Okay, that's enough. Okay, we got our water in there. Can you see it? Yeah. Then we're only gonna put a little bit of detergent. There. And then just mix. You can see while it's mixing, you see how it's forming already? Okay, let me see the camera to see. See how it's forming? Yeah. If you want it really stretchy, you put less detergent. Sorry about that. If you want like your slime to be very stretchy, put a little bit of detergent. If you want it to be not as stretchy and really thick, just put a lot of detergent. So we're done mixing. We're gonna put it in our hands. Put this aside. We're gonna put our mixing tool away. And we're just gonna play with it until it gets unsticky. It's gonna be sticky when you like get it in your hand, but when you start playing with it a lot, it won't be as sticky. So yeah. See how it's very sticky and stretchy? It's stuck now. Oh no. Oh no. Here you go. You can take that. Yeah, so this is our video. Hope you like it.
Subscribe.
Thumbs up. Subscribe. Bye.